In today's video, I'm going to show you Foifkin F600 Case review $70. Here's what you need to know. The F600 is a mid-tower ATX PC case with a striking 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass design that lets you show off your hardware, and it comes with pre-installed ARGB PWM fans to help airflow and lighting aesthetics. It supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards, can accommodate large GPUs up to about 400mm and even 360mm radiators for liquid cooling, and includes a front USB-C port for modern connectivity. Fans and tool-free access make initial setup smoother than many cases at this price point. User feedback and independent reviews are mixed, but generally leaning positive overall. Many builders praise the F600's aesthetic appeal, decent airflow, and spacious interior, saying it feels like good value for budget mid-range build. The tool-less assembly and panoramic glass help elevate the look and ease of installation compared with bare-bones cases. That said, there are clear practical trade-offs you should know. Some owners note cable management can be tricky, especially in tighter builds, and materials may feel average rather than premium given the price. Fans can be a bit noisy or inconsistent, and not all components, like larger AIO coolers, fit as easily as advertised. A few reports even mention issues like fan control quirks or disappointing quality checks on some units. In short, the Foifkin F600 is not a scam, it's a real case with solid features for casual or first-time builders. But it's also not a luxury or pro-grade enclosure. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.